See the next problem. There is a hole in a bottom of tank having water. एक टैंक में वाटर है और उसके बॉटम को एक होल है. If total pressure at the bottom is 3 atmospheric, the total pressure at the bottom is 3 atmospheric pressure. We know that 1 atmospheric pressure is equal to 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square. It is the given approximate value of 1 atmospheric pressure. Then the velocity of water flowing from the hole. We have to determine velocity of the water flowing through the hole. Now the hole is at bottom. And let us consider h is the height of the liquid from the base of the tank. We know that total pressure exerted at the bottom of the tank is equal to pressure exerted by water प्लस प्रेशर एक्सर्टेड बाय एयर. उसके ऊपर एयर है, ये भी प्रेशर एक्सर्ट कर रहा है और लिक्विड भी प्रेशर एक्सर्ट कर रहा है. Therefore, total pressure on the bottom can be written as atmospheric pressure plus liquid pressure. Therefore, total pressure P is equal to PA plus PL. Therefore, PL is equal to P minus PA. PL is equal to, the total pressure is given 3 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square. 3 atmospheric pressure means 3 into 10 to the 3 atmospheric pressure means 3 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square minus, what is PA? 1 atmospheric pressure, 1 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square. Therefore, liquid pressure can be written as 2 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square. The value of liquid pressure at the bottom. The velocity of water from the hole, is given by the formula V is equal to under root of 2gh. This is a very important formula. V is equal to under root of 2gh, where g is the acceleration due to gravity, h is the depth of the hole or height of the surface from the hole. Again, we know that liquid pressure is given by the formula PL is equal to h rho g, where h is the height or depth of the point. H is the depth of the point from the free surface, rho is the density of the liquid, and g is the acceleration due to gravity. From this relation, we can write GH is equal to PL divided by rho. Now, putting the value of GH is equal to PL divided by rho from equation number 2 in equation number 1, we get V is equal to 2 as it is PL divided by rho. Therefore, V is equal to 2 as it is, and the value of PL is 2 into 10 to the power 5. The value of PL is 2 into 10 to the power 5 divided by rho means density of water, and it is equal to 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube. 2 into 2, 4. 10 to the power 5 divided by 10 to the power 3 means 10 to the power 2. 10 to the power 2 means 100. 100 into 4 means 400. Therefore, answer is under root of 400, or it is also written as 20 meter per second, but the option is given in the form of under root. Therefore, answer is A, under root of 400 meter per second. This is the speed of water flow at the bottom of the tank. Thank you.